Welcome to Audienceview, your gateway to smarter, faster, and more targeted B2B audience discovery. Whether you're a media buyer, marketer, or part of a high-performing sales team, Audienceview gives you exclusive access to 16 million plus B2B decision makers, empowering you to reach your exact audience with precision and confidence. Let's dive in and show you how it works. Unlike traditional targeting platforms that require manual setup, endless filters, and upfront guesswork, Audienceview simplifies the process. All you need is a URL. Enter your company's website and let AI do the heavy lifting. Audienceview's AI instantly scans your site, analyzing your website content, scanning for product categories, industry contexts, target personas, and relevant keywords. Within seconds, you'll get a list of target industries matched to your business. From here, you can start selecting the specific industries and sectors you want to target, or use the search bar to find others that match your goals. Not seeing the perfect fit? Click the Edit Suggestions button to revisit and customize your AI recommendations, giving you full control over which industries are prioritized in your campaign. As you make your selections, Audienceview automatically builds a custom media plan with premium ad placements across Multiview's exclusive network. Channels include association newsletters, direct website placements, site retargeting, and more. You can easily adjust your budget, set your campaign duration, and choose your ideal start date, all right within the media plan summary. And if you need more context on a particular channel, just hover over the info icons for quick explanations. Once you finish selecting your target industries, it's time to choose who you want to reach. Click Next to refine your targeting. Based on your previously selected industries, Audienceview generates lists of relevant audience segments that match your ideal buyers. Simply scroll through the list of job titles and roles and deselect any you don't want to target. Looking for someone else? Use the search bar to find and add additional job titles that may not have been auto-selected. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune your outreach and ensure your targeting is precise, so you're always reaching the right professionals who matter most. Now it's time to decide where your message will appear. Click Next to view relevant media partners. Based on your selected industries and audience segments, Audienceview recommends a curated list of association partners within Multiview's network, providing you direct access to B2B decision makers you can't find on any other platform. To learn more about a specific media partner, click the dropdown. Here, you can read a summary about the association, what media opportunities they offer, and a direct link to their website. If a suggested partner isn't the right fit, simply deselect it. You can also use the search bar to browse and add additional associations that better align with your campaign goals. Every selection you make is reflected in your media plan summary to the right. Once you've made all your selections, it's time to bring it all together. Click Next to review your custom media plan and secure premium placements. In the summary, you'll find a detailed breakdown of your media plan, organized by association partner, channel, ad placement, run dates, units, and price, giving you full visibility into how your campaign will be executed and budget allocated. If you need to make any changes, simply navigate back to the Industry, Audience, or Media Partners tabs to update your selections before finalizing your plan. Ready to move forward? Click Checkout to lock in your placements and enter your billing information, all securely within the platform. Not quite ready to commit? No problem. Just click Download Media Plan to export your proposal, perfect for team review or internal approvals. And if you have any questions or need guidance, our team is here to help. Click Contact Us to connect with a campaign specialist. Thank you, and enjoy exploring Audienceview.